Keto recipe: sausage, spinach, feta cheese omelette. Ingredients: 1. 3 large eggs. 2. 2 small breakfast sausage. 3. 1 cup spinach leaves. 4. 1/4 cup half and half. 5. 1 tablespoon feta cheese. 6. 1/2 tablespoon olive oil. 7. Pinch salt. 8. Pinch freshly ground black pepper. Instructions: 1. Heat both pans to medium heat on the stove, put your olive oil in one of them. 2. Crack your eggs into a bowl and start scrambling them with the half and half. 3. Add salt and pepper to your eggs, seasonings are king here. 4. Start by adding your sausage to the clean pan. Let it cook while you are doing the rest. Remove the sausage from the pan, place on paper towel to let some grease ease out. 5. In the pan with olive oil, sauté the spinach with salt and pepper. 6. Once sausage and spinach are cooked down, put them in a bowl together. 7. Transfer all the olive oil to the same pan as your sausage fat. Heck yes, we are going to reuse that delicious fat. 8. Pour your eggs into the pan with drippings. You should hear a sizzle, leave it alone. We need the bottom of the omelette to set. 9. Once you see the edges curling a bit and is starting to get cooked through, add your sausage, spinach, and feta cheese. 10. Wait. You don't want the omelette to break open while we're trying to flip it, this ain't scrambled eggs. 11. About 1 minute after adding your fillings, you can flip half of the omelette over. 12. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes more, and flip it over. It shouldn't be completely cooked inside, but it should have enough structure to hold together for the flip. 13. Cover the first pan with the second pan you have handy, letting the omelette cook by steaming. This makes it perfectly done and not overcooked on the inside. If you did it right, the eggs should have some air pockets, the fillings are not overcooked, and the cheese is creamy. I trust you got this one down.